In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webflow to N8N. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable connection that lets your N8N workflows interact with your Webflow site, so you can automate tasks like syncing collections, creating items, or reacting to events without manual work. First, open your N8N instance in your browser and sign in. You'll land on the dashboard. From here, create a new workflow. This gives you a clean canvas to design the automation. It helps to give your workflow a clear name so you can find it later, especially if you'll be building more automations around Webflow. With the empty workflow open, search for Webflow in the node panel. Add the Webflow node to your canvas. You don't have to configure every detail yet. The goal is to place it where the Webflow action will happen, like creating or updating a collection item. You can always fine-tune the operation later. Next, set your trigger. The trigger determines how the workflow starts. For example, you might choose a webhook trigger if you want to start the flow when another app sends data, or a schedule trigger if you want it to run at set intervals. Pick the trigger that best matches your use case and place it to the left of the Webflow node. Connect the trigger to the Webflow node so data flows from the start to the action. If you're just testing, the manual trigger works well and lets you run the flow on demand. Now add the credential and connect. Open the Webflow node settings and locate the credentials section. Create a new Webflow credential. Follow the on-screen authorization flow to grant N8N access to your Webflow account. Make sure you select the correct workspace and site during authorization, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once authorized, return to the Webflow node and choose the credential you just created. If prompted, select the target site and collection so the node knows exactly where to act. Save your workflow, and if your trigger allows it, run a quick test to confirm the connection succeeds. If anything fails, double-check that your Webflow permission scopes match the operation you've chosen and that the correct site is selected. That's it. You opened N8N, created a workflow, added the Webflow node, set the trigger, and connected secure credentials. From here, you can expand your automation with filters, transformations, or additional services, confident that your Webflow integration is properly in place.